Drinking water on an empty stomach offers numerous benefits. All organs need sufficient water to function properly and stay healthy. It's a natural gift within our reach, ready to provide amazing health benefits. The health benefits of drinking water on an empty stomach are remarkable and time-tested. 1. Clears your bowels. First, when you drink so much water you feel the need of pass stools. This means that your bowel movements get regularized. When you pass stools every day, your body is cleared of water. When you go to the bathroom you are throwing all the toxins out of the body. The more water you drink, the cleaner your body will be. It also helps to reduce the effect of swelling. 2. Makes you hungry. Drinking water and cleansing your bowels can eliminate sleepiness and make you hungry earlier in the morning, helping you to have breakfast sooner. Increased hunger means you'll consume more energy through food, which will assist you in performing daily tasks such as going to the gym, driving, running, and more. 3. Prevent a headache. Most of the time, we experience headaches due to a lack of water in the body. Drinking water in the morning ensures that your body is hydrated. On summer days when you often have a headache, the most common reason behind that killing headache can be lack of water in the body. It is suggested to drink as much water as possible for you in the day of summer. 4. Speed up metabolism. Drinking hot water can increase your metabolic rate by at least 24%. This means you digest and assimilate your food faster and end up losing some weight. When metabolism boosts the food that we eat, digest fast and in much better ways, this will make you healthy. In other words, it will help you lose bad fat and provide you with some muscles. 5. Weight loss. Drinking water on an empty stomach helps eliminate toxins and reduce swelling. It also boosts your metabolism to burn calories faster. It is one of the best strategies when you are opting in for a diet plan. Drink as much water as, when you can. When your metabolism works hard, you will surely lose weight. 6. Gives you glowing skin. Most of the acne problems occur when your bowels are not clear. Once you have regular bowel movements, your body is detoxified, leading to fewer outbreaks and acne. During work days, keep a bottle of water with you always and remember to drink it often. This will maintain the water levels in the body and will protect your body from getting dehydrated.